In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are doing very well and in the best state of Iman. Let's start today's chapter number 10 from the Book 1 for Grade 1. This chapter is about Arkan Islam. This chapter is about Arkan Islam. Arkan Islam means 5 pillars of Islam. So today we will gonna learn the 5 pillars of Islam. Islam is based on 5 pillars. Islam is based on 5 pillars. The basic duties of Muslims are known as the 5 pillars. How many pillars of Islam are there? 5. There are 5 pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are Ash-Shahada, Salah or Namaz, Zakah or charity, Saum means Roza, and Hajj. So these are 5 pillars of Islam. The first one is Ash-Shahada, second one is Salah or we can say Namaz, third one is Zakah or we can say charity as well, fourth one is Saum or Roza, and the fifth one is Hajj. The 5 pillars of Islam are, number 1 is Ash-Shahada. So what is the meaning of Ash-Shahada? The meaning of Ash-Shahada means the declaration of faith. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah. That means there is no God worthy of worship but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger. Number 2 is Salah or Namaz, the compulsory prayer. Muslims pray 5 times every day. Muslims pray 5 times every day. So they pray Fajr Namaz, Zohar Namaz, Asr Namaz, Maghrib and Isha. So these 5 Salah or 5 prayers they pray in a day. Number 3 is Zakah or charity, the payment of purifying dues. All rich Muslims must give Zakah to the poor and those who are in need. Number 4 is Saum or Roza, fasting in the month of Ramadan. So what Saum means? Saum means fasting in the month of Ramadan. Number 5 is Hajj. Number 5 is Hajj, the pilgrimage. This is another word for Hajj. A Muslim visits the Kaaba at least once in his life for performing Hajj, if he is able to do so. So where Kaaba is? Kaaba is in the city of Makkatul Mukarramah. Where the city of Makkah is? The city of Makkah is in Saudi Arabia. These basic duties are known as the 5 pillars of Islam. A building which has 5 pillars will stand firm. If all Muslims do these 5 things well, Islam will be firm. A Muslim is one who obeys Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything. He accepts and believes that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala exists and that He is one. He also accepts and believes that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger and servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's match this column. Salah. What is Salah? Praying 5 times a day. Salah will go with praying 5 times a day. Hajj. Hajj means visiting the Kaaba. Saum. Fasting in the month of Ramadan. Saum will go with fasting in the month of Ramadan. Shahada. What Shahada means? Shahada is saying La ilaha illallah. The last one is Zakah. Zakah means giving money to those who need it. So these are the 5 pillars of Islam which we have learned in this chapter, chapter number 10. Inshallah, I will see you with the new chapter in the next video. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.